Hey guys, if you want to learn this simple yet beginner friendly makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this LA concealer and applying it on my eyelids. This will hide the redness and darkness under your skin, and I am really blending it into my skin for that seamless blend. Then I'm going on with the setting powder and applying it all over so that it makes my blending much easier. For today's eye makeup look, I'm going for Maybelline Vava Bloom palette and I'm grabbing the shade. I'm focusing mostly on the outer crease and just placing it and blending it with a fluffy big brush so that there is no any harsh lines and the edges are as smooth as much as possible. Make sure you take your time while blending. Next, I'm going on with this dark shade and also applying it on the outer corner, and this will just give that gradient finish. I'm blending and blending to cut out all that harsh edges. I'm slowly taking it to the inner crease as well and making sure that it's as seamless as possible. Then I'm going on with this nude shade and applying it on my inner corner, and this will just give that soft blend to your eyes. Again, I'm going on with the shade and applying it on my lower lashes. I'm focusing mostly on the outer corner and blending it. Then I'm going on with this AOA Studio eyeliner, and for this look I'm going for a small winged liner. So while making a winged liner, I suggest you guys to open your eyes so that you can see how thick or thin the liner is. Then I am slowly moving into the inner corner and making the liner as thin as possible. Then I'm curling my lashes, and today I am going on with this Smashbox Superfan Mascara. I'm applying it on my upper as well as lower lashes and coating it as much as possible so that I get that fuller lashes. This is the final eye makeup look. If you guys enjoyed my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.